Whew, that was a couple of exhausting hours of hiking. Thank God I'm at the camp now. Alright, let's see what they have for food. Morning, cabinates. Here's the first thing we'll be eating and the only thing we'll be eating. It's gonna be porridge, and nothing else. If you don't like it, don't eat it. Starve. That's fine for me. Aw, come on, man. What are we gonna be eating during the summer? Just porridge? Oh, disgusting. Should have brought some s'mores in advance. First, place a piece of graham cracker on the bottom. Then, add a piece of chocolate on top. Personally, I'd use Hershey, or you can use some chocolate squares. Then, you can use a marshmallow and you can squish it down so that when you put the graham cracker on top, it does not fall off in the microwave. Yes, that does happen. Finally, place a piece of graham cracker on top and you should be ready to put it into the microwave. Be careful not to put too much pressure when you put it on top, otherwise the top cracker may break. Then, place your graham cracker in the microwave for 20 seconds and on low heat. Also, the marshmallow will most likely expand in size. Because of that, if the top cracker is falling off because of that, pause it to adjust it. And there you have it, microwavable s'mores for when you're not outside camping.